bad enough to me.
Hey, good morning everybody. So today Apple did announce the new iPhone 8 and 8 Plus in a product red finish, and it looks absolutely stunning. I seriously really like it. Against all odds, I mean, my personal predictions were wrong. Apple did give us a black front on the product red iPhone 8, and it is such a killer combo. Wow, that looks amazing. So we've got that black finish, black screen. The buttons still remain red as it should with Apple. On the back, you've got that glass red finish with the product red logo on the bottom below the iPhone text. Super clean. Like, I just love how it all ties together. It looks really, really cool. On the iPhone 8 Plus, that's probably my phone of choice here. It looks incredible with the dual lens camera. Like, that part's a little bit black, the front's black, and the accents work very well together. Personally, a little bit disappointed Apple did not do this for the iPhone 10, so they were not announcing any iPhone 10 special colors at all. So no gold, no red, just the product red for the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus series. So that was unfortunate. No Air Power Matte either, but still, this is awesome. This is good that Apple is trying something new. Hopefully we do get a gold color maybe at WWDC for the iPhone 10 or something. In any case, it looks amazing, and you guys can get it as soon as tomorrow, April 10th at 5:30 a.m. It'll be available in stores on April 13th. So this is going to be available really, really soon. You're going to start to see videos of them online. But yeah, no iPhone 10, so I'm not really going to be interested in it. I'll still get it just to review and take a look at it. And in case you guys didn't know about the purpose of Product Red, Apple actually partners with the company Red, which helps stop the spread of HIV in Africa, and they want to completely kill or eradicate AIDS, have an AIDS-free generation. So it's definitely a good cause that you're buying this color towards. And I wish Apple would have offered it at the beginning of the cycle of the iPhone, not make you have to suffer for getting the iPhone earlier. So that would have been great, but in any case, I'm still glad they're doing it. And remember, this is a special edition color. Apple actually discontinued the red on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus back in September. So if you guys want it, you should probably get it sooner than later. And also, Apple did release something for the iPhone 10. They released this red folio. The case looks pretty cool, but still not as cool as actually a full color on the iPhone 10. So there it is, guys. The product red iPhone 8 and 8 Plus is official. They look absolutely stunning, and I will be getting it to show you guys on this channel. You should be able to see it in stores on April 13th if you wanted to stop by and check that out. So otherwise, you can order it tomorrow, 5:30 a.m. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for any and all updates on Apple. Peace.